Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're cooking Korean barbecue chicken wings. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 220 degrees. Put a saucepan on a medium heat and combine the soy sauce, gochujang paste, garlic, honey, rice vinegar, ginger, rice wine and butter. Stir everything together and cook the sauce until it's thickened. You don't want it to be watery. Now take the chicken wings and roll each one in corn flour before placing on a baking tray. Drizzle half of the sauce over the wings and bake in the oven for 15 minutes. Remove the wings, flip them over and drizzle with the remaining sauce. Return the wings to the oven for a further 20 minutes. Garnish these delicious wings with lime wedges, poppy seeds, spring onion, parsley and sesame seeds. The flavour of these Korean style barbecue wings is incredible and so unique you have to try them. Spicy, smoky and sweet, they won't disappoint. Thanks for watching and don't forget to take a look at our other great recipes here at Yano. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.